Hello, my name's Ed McIntosh and this is my channel, edmacandcheese. It's great that you found me. There's no doubt then that you like adventure.
Now this is a volcano.
Travelling to new places.
What a view.
Is he through? That's him? Yeah.
That's him, yeah.
Maybe you're a snowboarding wizard.
Oh my god!
Well, you found the right channel because this is my life.
So many windmills here. Yes. Hey!
With fresh, exciting content to look forward to every week.
So what year was that wine from?
And 130 cracking videos to discover already. Consider subscribing to get your adventure fix. I've been doing YouTube since the good old days of 2006. You might say YouTube is the documentary of my life. And I'd like to welcome you along for the ride.